I've done a lot of work in the last 2 years, slowly, like wheel arches, subframe, jacking points, and it's never ending. So now I have these issues with the subframe. I have to remove the rubber sound deadening. Cleaned it as much as I could for when my friend comes to weld. This is the passenger side, just as an update. So that needs doing. A bunch of stuff has happened here. Front side skirt, this is already welded. Jacking point side skirt, yeah. A bit of stuff in the background here. Front bulkhead. Oh. A lot of stuff here. Wild rust still keeps creeping in somehow. I'll have to figure it out as I go. I just mentioned passenger footwall. That's the one. And this is the other side of driver's side. Doesn't look that bad from inside, but underneath looks a lot more horrible than it is. Yeah, so at the moment all 4 jacking points have been welded. Wheel arches, a little bit of work done. And that is not even the end of it. I mean, I have enough budget to pay someone to do all the welding. I was lucky enough to find a person who has the same mindset as I do. It might not be perfect, but it's gonna work out somehow. I am planning on getting this welded as much as possible this year. Maybe get it through an MOT and then carry on with the rest of the work as time goes by. But I need to get the main issues sorted. Like, for example, the floor. I could have just smothered it with some under seal and no MOT tester would have noticed. But for my own safety and for my own pride, I want to keep on working on it and have a decent result. Now, I haven't even removed the rear bumper, which I'm sure that's gonna hide loads of issues, along with the subframe. The subframe is gonna be a pain in the back. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be loads of rust, and also the transmission tunnel. I've been underneath and that is horrendous. It still has a bit of issues. So I do expect a lot of work doing the transmission tunnel, engine bay, but I am making progress.